Hi students, welcome to this video model. In this video model, we are going to discuss training methods. Before we had a model to understand brief introduction to training methods because there are two approaches for training methods: traditional method and then modern methods or modern approach. In traditional approach, you can see the training program is a expenditure. It is waste of time, and it is looked at kind of no expenditure. Then no, it is a negative approach towards the training programs, right? And then the modern approach for training program is we just look at the training program as an investment, and then it is a value addition. It is going to yield a good result for the organization at the end. So that is the positive approach for the training program. So in this the model, we just look at the methods of the training programs. So the training methods, there are two types: cognitive methods and then behavioral methods. So in this model, we are going to discuss the cognitive methods. The learning objective for this the model is to learn various the methods that are there under the cognitive, the model, the cognitive method, the category. So in this cognitive methods, you can see that there are number of methods, like under this the two categories, cognitive method and the behavioral method. So we just learn the different types of the training the programs under cognitive method. So cognitive method is cognitive method are more of giving theoretical the training to the trainers. So the various methods under the cognitive approach they provide the rules for how to do something, written or verbal information that demonstrates the relationship among the concepts. So the focus is on changing the knowledge and then attitude by learning. So this is the cognitive the method. So it is just only giving information on the data. So that is the main the focus of these methods. So if you just look at the different types of the methods under this cognitive approaches, the lecture method, demonstration method, discussion method, and then computer based the training. So these are the four the types of methods under the cognitive the model. Okay, if you just look lecture method, as you know that so by conducting the lecture method, lecturing the program, so we just select a topic and then identify the resource person, and then find out the participants, and then ask them to sit in the classroom environment, and then we just provide the training method. So this the method is used to create understanding a topic on the influence of behavior and then attitude through lectures. So a lecture can be in a printed or even oral format, and the lecture is given to enhance the knowledge of the listener or to give him the theoretical aspect of a topic. So it is the difficult to imagine the training without lecture format, and there is several variants in lecture methods. So the variation here means that some form of lectures are interactive with some are not. So in that context, you can see lecture method is one important the training under cognitive method. So if you look at the demonstration is the second one. So this method is a visual display of how something works, or how do something can be done. So example is the trainer shows the trainees how to perform or how to do the tasks of the job, like it is demonstration. So we just observe the trainee the trainee just practice in front of us as per our instructions. So they demonstrate it and then learn practically. So what is what? So it helps the focus on their attention and then critical aspects of the task. So that is the second one. So the third one is the discussion method. So this method is used to lecture provide the learners with the context that is supported and elaborated, explained or expanded on throughout the interactions, both among the trainees and then between the trainers and the trainees. So there is a discussion method where they sit across the table and they discuss and debate on various aspects. There is a communication free flow of the talk and then sharing of knowledge and ideas in the discussions, and then they understand and convey the back by trainers and the trainees. So what they discuss, what they learn out of exchange of ideas and thoughts. So in the process, you can see the gaining of the knowledge from one end to another end. Then you can see computer-based training programs. So it is providing training to employees through internet or online mode. So like a computer-based training program does not require face-to-face interaction with human trainer. So you can see that mission-based the training program is organized in the process, and then they will just update their knowledge in online mode. So these are the cognitive approach for the training programs. So this way you can see under the training methods we have the two, cognitive and then behavioral. So we have just discussed and understood the cognitive, like the lecture method, discussion method, and then demonstration method. So these are the various methods under the cognitive mode. Right. With that, let me just stop here, and looking forward to meet you in the video 109. Thank you.